you're going, baby. Oh.
That would make a good brush cutter.
Come on, baby, get cranked up. There you go.
Grinding going on there.
Attaboy.
Going after his wheels. That's a good action. Oh, cut his belt out, I think. Yeah, belt got cut out.
I'm stuck. It's stuck in mine.
Oh, we hung up?
Yeah,
Oh, hey.
their belt is stuck in mine.
Okay, why don't you guys shut them down for a minute? And why don't you climb in there? Make sure you power your remote's off.
Just
And somebody with glasses come in there and get that belt unwrapped.